Welcome to this new video, and in today's video we're going to shoot a roll of Agfa APX 100 through the Canon A1. For me it was the first time shooting with the Canon A1, so yeah, it's time to test it and to see the results. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. As you can see, I messed up a few images because I was playing around with the automatic modes and it was the first time for me using the camera. And yeah, see you in the next one, and check out my Instagram link down below.